we have an integrated development platform called Force.com IDE that you can install on your desktop. This tool can be handy when you want to write any code, like creating Visualforce pages or Apex classes, or quickly run some SQL queries. You can search for the Force.com IDE and follow the installation steps. You may run into some issues if you don't have the correct version of Java installed, but there is some nice documentation to help you resolve them. I have the IDE installed on my machine. Let me open it. Using the IDE, I can connect to my Salesforce instance and download all the metadata. Let me give this project a name, pass in my credentials along with the security token. I'm now connecting to my developer instance. I can download the entire metadata, but I choose to download only the code like classes, pages, and triggers. It takes a little while. The metadata is downloaded onto my local machine. If you expand the SRC folder, you can see the downloaded metadata like Visualforce pages that we created in the past, the careers page, and the mass update. I can even make changes to these Visualforce pages and sync them with the cloud. Let me comment these two lines and save it. By just right-clicking the file, force.com, and save to server. Let me quickly open the Visualforce page from the browser. And you can see that the changes are updated here as well. If you like to, you can create Visualforce pages, classes, or triggers right from here. I can also run queries on any object from the Salesforce schema. Just to try out, let me quickly query all the records in the candidate object. All I need to do is select the fields I'm interested in, and the query gets constructed on the fly. This can come in handy when you're writing code. You can also use the Force.com IDE to move metadata from one environment to another. Currently, we just have a developer org. But in real time, you want to migrate your application metadata from one sandbox to another, or from sandbox to production. For example, you built a Visualforce page in the sandbox, and you quickly want to migrate that to another sandbox environment. You can simply select the metadata, right-click, force.com, deploy to server, and pass in the credentials of your target sandbox. And then click on Finish. This would have copied the Visualforce page to the target instance. You can use the Force.com IDE primarily to write code, run some SQL queries, and also quickly deploy metadata from one instance of Salesforce to another. I suggest you install and play around with this tool to get a hang of it.